This individual went from being unattractive to a top fashion model in just 2 years by correcting 5 major flaws that can affect your appearance. In this video, I'll reveal the precise techniques he used to address these flaws so you can achieve similar results and become unrecognizable. But here's the reality. If you don't act now and fix these 5 issues, you'll end up looking the same forever, and being unattractive can seriously impact your life. The data shows that attractive people earn more, experience less depression, live longer, and have more sexual partners. Don't believe me? Just observe how women react to unattractive men compared to attractive ones. The good news is that transformations like Jack's and other glow-ups demonstrate that the difference between unattractive and attractive men boils down to just 5 flaws that can be fixed using the methods I'll show you in this video. Let's start with flaw number 1, acne. At the beginning, Jack had severe acne covering his entire face, but after 2 years of using the right skincare routine, he was acne-free. To combat acne, your skincare regimen should include 3 steps. First, open up the pores to cleanse out dirt and oil. Second, treat existing acne. And third, protect the skin. Jack's regimen consists of 1. LAA Mid Cleanser. 2. Korean Toner to soothe the acne. 3. Retinol for treating acne. 4. Niacinamide to reduce acne scars. 5. Moisturizer to protect the skin barrier. As the video progresses, each flaw becomes more significant, with the final flaw being crucial for transforming your appearance. Flaw number 2, puffy cheeks. You might think this is just about body fat and that losing weight will solve it, but there are other factors that contribute to facial bloating, particularly around the cheeks. Even though Jack had low body fat before his transformation, his cheeks were still puffy. Compare this to Leonardo DiCaprio in 2 photos taken a few days apart. One shows him lean, while the other shows him bloated. To maintain a lean look, Jack recommends a diet rich in fish, meat, fruits, and vegetables, while cutting out bread, sodium, and sweets. Another tip is to consume high amounts of potassium to counteract sodium's effects, reducing water retention and fluid buildup in the face. Good sources of potassium include coconut water, bananas, and sweet potatoes.
Moving on to flaw number 3. Bad hairstyle. Hair can significantly enhance your facial harmony, but if your hairstyle doesn't complement your face shape, it can ruin your overall look. Jack suggests growing out your hair, but to find the right hairstyle, use an app like FaceApp to try different styles on a selfie. Once you've found a suitable hairstyle, don't shampoo more than once a week, as it can make hair appear dry. Always use conditioner, but apply it only to the hair, not the scalp. And also, don't forget to subscribe, because I will be making a complete guide on finding a hairstyle that suits your facial structure. Flaw number 4. Thin eyebrows. Eyebrows are often underestimated, but they play a crucial role in facial aesthetics. Look at Justin Bieber's photos. His eyebrow change made a noticeable difference. Ideal eyebrows should be low set, dark, thick, and often slightly tilted. For some, like Brad Pitt, a negative tilt may suit their facial features better. To improve your eyebrows, either use an eyebrow serum or trim excessive eyebrow hair to achieve a fuller shape. No matter where you start, the goal is to end up with well-shaped eyebrows. Finally, flaw number 5. A receding bone structure. This includes a weak jawline, poor under-eye support, inadequate maxillary width, and a recessed chin. The improved jawline and cheekbone visibility in the after photos can be achieved by following a simple formula. To boost testosterone levels, follow these 3 steps. Step 1. Engage in competitive sports multiple times a week, such as rugby or martial arts. Step 2. Get at least 15 minutes of sunlight exposure daily. Step 3. Limit masturbation to once a week. Weightlifting helps increase testosterone and bone density, but avoid excessive cardio as it can reduce testosterone. Additionally, use Wolff's technique to enhance facial bone density by leveraging the principle of Wolff's law, which states that bone adapts to the loads it endures. Lastly, perfect tongue posture, known as mewing on social media, is essential for significant facial improvement. To achieve correct tongue posture, place the tip of your tongue behind your front teeth. Press the rest of your tongue, especially the back, against the roof of your mouth. If you can't do this, try making an NG sound and hold that position. Gently press your teeth together, close your lips, and swallow your saliva repeatedly until you create a vacuum in your mouth. For optimal results, maintain a clean diet and steer clear of junk food. Be sure to watch this video if you want to always smell great.